We call them New Country Days. And they are the best days. They are at the heart of the adventure. Traversing the lines manifested by years, decades, and centuries of voting, negotiating, and more often than not, bloodshed. What will the Bulgarian version of today look like? How will it be different from the Serbian rendition of this magnifique day, where we are adding 73 kilometers to a part consisting of almost 4,000 pedal-powered kilometers? Tomorrow, an additional 69 kilometers should, if all goes well, take us to the capital city of Sofia, where the flight to South Korea will mark the transition between leg 1 and 2 of our journey. First though, we need to transition into tomorrow, and we plan to do so in the tiny village of Tran. We arrived just in time for a late lunch at the place where we're gonna spend the night. And we're in good company. We asked the owner what time they close so we can go back for a big dinner later. 10 p.m. That's awesome. This is not a great place. not even close. It's absolutely freezing, but it's a place for the night and we'll make it work. A little snoozing seems inevitable. After all, we had some day at the office today. It's basically gonna be uphill for the next 20 kilometers. One down, 3 to go. This place is absolutely gorgeous. 2 down. Everything is uphill. All right, 3 down, 1 to go. Nice. 3.2 kilometers left. 4th climb. It's definitely the toughest one so far. We're both hungry. I think this is it. I think this is the peak. That was great.
I'm so tired.
We don't want to lose our shot at a giant dinner, so we quit snoozing around 6 p.m. and go back to the restaurant. When we come out, everything is closed though. There's not a soul around here anywhere. And since the nearest supermarket is a small mountain away, we're not gonna get any dinner tonight. We feel a little let down here. Even if the dude just forgot about us, it's a bit of a stark contrast to the kind and reliable folks we just left in the country next door. So the place obviously did not have breakfast. So this is going to be breakfast. Some dogs are not happy down there. I wonder what the hell is happening. That was the end of the first incline. Crazy one. We're gonna have 4 more, but they're all gonna be short. 1.5, 2.0, 2.6 and 1.6. The last 2 can be a little tough.
Somebody really don't want us there.
Alright, what's not to like? That means an old hat with a turd in it.
Look at that.
That is definitely both a hat and a turd. Moo moo moo. Just finished the second out of 5 inclines today. I am worn out. Our breakfast was not the filling energy bomb we need for a long day on the bikes, but it was the only thing we could get. And somehow we haven't passed a single supermarket or cafe today. Oh God, I'm sweating. We got about 20 kilometers left today, and this is by far the most tired I've been so far. I feel a bit sick to my stomach because we have 2 more inclines. So I'm gonna pray to hell. Please hell, help me up the mountain. We saw some trails, some like seriously big cat paws in the mud. Yeah, this is the 4th incline. Got the wind straight in the face. Grass is slowing us down and it's uphill. And we're both tired, probably dehydrated. That was number 4. Somehow, hell must have come through for us, because we're almost in Sofia now, and the 5th incline seems to have been magically erased from the Garmin. Thank you, hell.
You're welcome.
Finally a place where we can get some water. Most much needed water ever. Let's go up and unpack everything. In 6 days we're flying to South Korea, and before we can board the flight we need to deal with a number of things, including visa for entry, COVID-19 registration, and the trickiest part about bringing our bikes on the airplane, acquiring the boxes they need to be packed up in. We started searching 10 days ago. To be sure the boxes are the right size and quality, we take the tram and visit the bike shop. After thorough investigation, we conclude that the boxes are great. And so are these guys. To keep the bike safe inside the boxes, we also need some padding and insulation. The important things are all taken care of, in good time as well. And now we have a couple of days left to say a proper goodbye to Europe.
Hey Frederick, I got an IPA waiting for you.
To help us do so, Frederick, a very good friend from back home, joins us. last full day in Sofia and the last full day in Europe. Today is the day where we pack up the bikes. So we'll go to the bike shop. Hey! Hello! We cut these up and then we tape them to the frame. Saddle needs to come off too.
And remember to put a mark.
Bubble wrap. We are on line 4 to Sofia Airport. Okay, the bikes are checked in. The rule are you need to be tested for COVID right after we arrive. What if we test positive? Then we go straight to quarantine.
Everything is gonna be so different, like when you go eating, when you go on the streets. And I can't wait now. I'm so excited.
It's gonna be great.
Hello is 안녕하세요.
I definitely recommend you this passport.
Long story, potentially a little long. We were just brought to the police station by the Korean police and military.
And we have no idea how to use it.